As knowledge workers, we search for information, we make decisions, and we track progress in a system like Salesforce. This video is going to show you how you can combine Salesforce and search in a seamless package that is QuantCopy. Let's see how this works. First, let's talk about how we enable the Salesforce integration. So I want to hover over the profile picture. I want to select Salesforce integration and click the enable button if it's not enabled, but if you have connected this already, where you can't click the enable button and it just says enabled. So we know that we've connected Salesforce. If you want to disconnect this, simply click uninstall. After I've integrated my Salesforce, a few things happen. First of all, the Accounts tab, the Contacts tab, and the Leads tab on the main screen of the app will now be synced directly to my Salesforce. This happens in browser. It means that we're not pulling any information from your Salesforce into QuantCopy servers. It stays in your browser until you import specific pieces of information to run searches. In Accounts, the first thing I see is QuantCopy has merged my account list on Salesforce and my account list on QuantCopy together and showed me where is each object. So here, any account that is in QuantCopy has the little QC icon next to it. Anybody in Salesforce has the little SF icon next to it. And if an account like iSettle is in both of the systems, the second thing to note is anything that only is in Salesforce, you can simply click the little checkbox to import them into any project you have. You can also select all by clicking this box here, and you can import all of them in one go into, again, any project you have. After you've imported this, click Schedule to run the people and keyword searches already in your project. The next thing I want to showcase is to import people from your Salesforce. Here you can see that I've synced my contacts, and I can import something like Mark into, again, any project I have. Mark is then imported as a name search in this project, and you can see that his account, salesforce.com, is also present in my Accounts tab. This gives you company, team, and personal level research all in one click. The last thing I want to talk about is fields and filters. This helps you slice, dice, and search through your data in Salesforce. In fields, I can select any field from my objects in Salesforce, whether those fields are on accounts, contacts, or leads. Here I'm looking for, let's say, industry to see what industries my accounts are in. The next step, using filters, I can add a row and start filtering down the data that I have in Salesforce. I'm adding a row to say that the industry should equal manufacturing, and that gives me only the accounts in manufacturing. I can uncheck the checkbox to see only accounts in my CRM. One more thing. If we click on filters again, we can actually look at accounts that not only I own, but my teammates own. If I click the Owner Includes dropdown, I can start searching for my teammates, like my co-founder Jack. I can see all the accounts under his name and start again looking through the data associated with his accounts. This way, you can easily research for your team.